The data centers run out of power, and customers start looking at hosting facilities where they can commercially source large-scale data centers. At the same time, Nehalem processors, solid-state storage, virtualization have all compressed the network's ability. The network, designed on gigabit Ethernet, released over 14 years ago. Lastly, virtualization, driving mobile workloads throughout the data center. This has all led demands for a larger, flatter, higher performance, lower latency, and much more efficient Ethernet transport inside the data center network. 10 gigabit Ethernet has been used to the server for the past several years, primarily in high performance and low latency environments. 10 gigabit Ethernet is mainstreaming over the next 12 to 18 months as it gets built into the servers in a LAN on mainboard port. What this means is that the network you're deploying today will be obsoleted if it's not ready to achieve 1 and 10 gig transition with 10 gig base T over the next 2 to 3 years. At the same time, 40 and 100 gig are on the near-term horizon. Network products need to be designed to support the density of 40 and 100 gigabit to make them actually usable. That means between 8 and 16 ports of 40 gig per slot and up to 4 ports of 10 gig per slot to drive a usable volume and density that will bring cost points down, make the technology rapidly absorbable. Ethernet is continuing its evolution, as it always has, in step functions and orders of magnitude performance and latency improvement. The important thing is that the networking technologies are there to support this transition. Network architecture of yesteryear is dead. The 3-tier architecture with core, distribution, and access is gone. While other companies are looking at expanding the number of layers in the network, we're singularly focused on building a larger, flatter, more manageable, and simpler Layer 2 and Layer 3 network, one that embraces the concept of workload mobility and virtualization, one that extends the reach to the cloud and understands the virtual machine as an atomic unit. What we found is that while other companies are focused on 30 or 40 market adjacencies, we're singularly focused on the data center, that part of the network and part of IT infrastructure where applications run, workloads are processed, and mission-critical data is stored. It's the most important part of any IT infrastructure, and it's an area that's being disrupted by a wide variety of outside influencers, from faster CPUs to virtualization architectures, and that's why we're focused there.